Hello everyone, welcome to EBC channel. Today in this video we will discuss about the topic preposition. Preposition को हिंदी में पूर्वसर्ग कहा जाता है. Now question arise, what is a preposition? यानी पूर्वसर्ग क्या है? चलिए देखते हैं. Definition of preposition is the words which are used before a noun, pronoun or phrase to indicate relationship between other words in a sentence are called prepositions. It tells us details about the position, time और movement. यानी कोई भी ऐसे शब्द जो संज्ञा या सर्वनाम यानी नाउन या प्रोनाउन को वाक्य के शेष भाग से जोड़ता हो या उस नाउन या प्रोनाउन यानी संज्ञा या सर्वनाम का शेष भाग से संबंध बताता हो, उन्हें हम प्रीपोजिशन कहते हैं. प्रीपोजिशंस हमें संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की स्थिति यानी पोजीशन, समय यानी टाइम और गतिविधि यानी मूवमेंट के बारे में अधिक जानकारी देते हैं. नाउ सम प्रीपोजिशंस आर ऑन, अंडर, विद, एट, ऑफ, फ्रॉम, बिलो, सिंस, अमंग, बिहाइंड, over, along, within, through, into, across, etc. These all are examples of prepositions. Now how it works? See, for example, the book is on the table. यानी book मेज पर रखी है. Here on word is used as a preposition to show relationship between book and table where the book is. It is showing the position here. Next, the ball is behind the bushes. So, behind is used here to show the position of ball, where the ball is. So, both of these are prepositions. Now, we will discuss about kinds of preposition. First one is preposition of position. It tells about the position of noun or a pronoun. For example, the cat is under the basket. So, word under is preposition of position. Next, preposition of time. It tells when something take place. For example, we sleep at night. So word at is preposition of time here. Next, preposition of movement and direction. It tells about the movement and direction of something. Example, he walked through the town. So through is preposition of movement or direction here. Now, please like, share and subscribe our channel.